To set up and use the standby mode on your iPhone, you need to be running iOS 17 or later. Once you've updated, open the Settings app, which is represented by a gear icon, and scroll down until you find the Standby option. Make sure it's enabled by checking the box at the top, which will turn green when activated. The display setting is set to Always On by default, and it's recommended to keep it that way. You can also choose to enable night mode, but it can be disabled if preferred. To use standby mode, close the Settings app, put your iPhone to sleep, and place it on a stand or nightstand in landscape mode. However, if the landscape orientation lock is enabled, which can be found in the control center, standby mode won't work. So, ensure that it's disabled. With your device in standby mode, you'll see a "Welcome to Standby" message, and you can tap the Continue button to proceed. Standby mode acts like an alarm clock, displaying an analog clock and a calendar by default. You can swipe to the right to view photos or unlock your device by entering your passcode. To edit and rearrange the widgets, hold down on the screen and enter your passcode. From there, you can add or remove widgets, such as the weather or reminders, and even add new ones by tapping the addition symbol. The widgets will cycle through different images, creating a digital slideshow effect. To remove a widget, tap the minus symbol and confirm that you want to remove it. Once you've made all the necessary changes, tap Done to save them. The Widget Suggestions feature can also be enabled, allowing iOS to suggest useful widgets based on your preferences. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use the new standby mode on your iPhone running iOS 17.